In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up and sign in on the GoToMeeting Android app. Let's dive into it and get you ready to join those important meetings right from your phone. First, we'll need to download the app from the Google Play Store. To do this, open your Google Play Store app on your Android device. Once you're inside, look for the search bar at the top. Tap on it and type GoToMeeting, then look at the results shown to find the official GoToMeeting app. Once you've located it, tap on the app to bring up the detailed view. Here you'll see an install button. Tap it and patiently wait for the app to download and install on your device. Having the app installed is the first crucial step to accessing GoToMeeting services. Once the installation is complete, go ahead and tap Open to launch the GoToMeeting app. You'll be greeted by the welcome screen. If you're new to GoToMeeting and don't have an account yet, you will need to create one. Look for the option that says Create Account or Sign Up and tap on it. Next, you'll see fields where you need to enter your personal information. This typically includes your email address, your name, and a password of your choice. Carefully fill out each of these fields by tapping into them, then enter the required information. Be sure to choose a strong password for security reasons. Once all your details are entered correctly, you can either tap Next or Create Account, depending on what you see on your screen. You might need to accept the terms and privacy policy at this point, so make sure to review them before you tap to accept. After successfully creating your account, you'll need to confirm it via your email. Open your email app and check for an email from GoToMeeting. They will have sent you a verification link. Simply tap on this link to verify and confirm your new account. This step is vital as it ensures your account is secure and ready for use. Now that your account is verified, head back to the GoToMeeting app. This time, you're going to sign in. On the main page, look for the Sign In option and tap it. You'll need to enter the email address and password you used when creating your account. Tap on the email field, input your email, then tap the password field and enter your password. After confirming everything is correct, tap on the Sign In button. The app might request certain permissions to access your device's microphone, camera, and storage. It's important to tap Allow for these requests so the app can function properly during meetings, allowing you to seamlessly interact with audio and video features. With these simple steps, you're now all set up on the GoToMeeting Android app, ready to connect and participate in meetings effortlessly.